Rotary-engined cars had ceased to exist since the end of the RX-7 production, but in April 2003, the RX-8 broke the silence and brought the rotary sound back into the world. But the unique character of the RX-8 is not limited to its rotary engine. It was created as a new type of sports car, with 4 doors and 4 seats. Normally, a 4-door setup makes a car bigger and increases weight, giving it a disadvantage as a sports car. However, for the RX-8, Mazda utilized Freestyle clamshell doors, which utilize rear hinge doors in the back, giving the RX-8 a 4-door layout in which 4 adults can sit comfortably, even in the small sports car package. Of course, the new generation rotary engine, the Renesys 13B MSP, also played a large role in the birth of the RX-8. By utilizing a side port layout, its compatibility with environmental issues was greatly improved. By optimizing the intake and exhaust port shapes, the normally aspirated 2-rotor engine produced power greatly in excess of 197 HP, balancing good power with environment-friendly performance. The lightweight, compact advantage of the rotary engine was also maximized, mounting the engine further towards the center of the body by a full 2.3 inches by a full 2.3 inches behind that of the RX-7. Reducing inertial momentum this way, a superior driving performance was attained. And like a true Mazda, the front-to-rear weight distribution is optimal, being very close to 50-50. The Renesys engine of the top-of-the-line Type S produces 247 HP and redlines at 9,000 revolutions per minute. This version comes only in a 6-speed manual transmission. The RX-8 incorporated the new generation rotary engine in a unique body design, with a practical, comfortable interior. This is definitely a one-of-a-kind sports car that was only made possible by a company like Mazda, who has a deep knowledge of both rotary engines and of sports cars.